Planner tool is an engaging weekly planning tool designed to help students stay organized and intentional with their schoolwork throughout the week. Each day includes customizable subjects, space for notes, reminders, and a simple checkbox system for tracking completed tasks. To start, tap the Planner button from the main screen. The Planner button also has a calendar symbol. Use the calendar to select any date within the week you would like to plan. Next, tap the blue View Weekly Planner button. The planner displays the week dates at the top, along with individual cards for Monday through Friday, followed by one card for the weekend. To add a task, choose a subject from the subject menu on the corresponding day. Tap the Details field to enter the assignment, activity, or other information you want to remember. This can be typed, or device speech-to-text functionality can be used. Tap the plus button to add the task to that day. Repeat these steps to add as many tasks as you need. Your planner entries are saved automatically. To edit an existing task, tap its subject or details and make your changes. To remove a task, swipe the task to the left, then tap the red trash can button. When you complete a task, tap the circle in the Done column. The task will receive a green check mark. When every task for a day is complete, the day turns green and the app celebrates your progress with confetti. If you are absent on a given day, this can be indicated by using the Absent button. Simply tap the Absent button on the corresponding card and it will turn red. Use the No School button when school is not in session, for example, a public holiday. Tap the corresponding day and the card will turn blue. To undo, tap the selected button again to return the day to normal. To add a test reminder, tap the Test button at the top of the appropriate day. Select the subject, test time, and reminder frequency, and add any helpful details. Make sure Enable is turned on, then tap Save. If prompted, allow notifications so the app can send the reminder. To add an assignment deadline, tap Due. Select the subject, due time, and reminder frequency, then enter the assignment details. Make sure Enable is turned on, then tap Save. To update a test or assignment reminder, tap its highlighted Test or Due button. To remove it, select the Delete Test or Delete Assignment button. At the bottom of the weekly planner, you will find a How Did This Week Feel scale. Select the emoji that best represents the week. This gives students an opportunity to communicate social emotional needs and can serve as a starting point for conversation with staff members or family. To view another week, tap the back arrow, select the new date from the calendar, and tap the View Weekly Planner again. Repeat the necessary steps. When you are finished, you can return to the main menu by pressing the back buttons. With the Planner tool, students can clearly organize what needs to be done, monitor their progress, prepare for important deadlines, and celebrate their accomplishments throughout the week.